Let's quickly test out these outline markers. What I think is really cool about these is they have UV resistance and are waterproof. Now this is my first time pulling them out of the box, so to use them I'll need to shake them and press down the tip for a little while and then they'll start to work. So let's see how colorful these really are. Popping it open, I love the rainbow of colors here. Let's just start with the red. It's nice that it makes it so clear that it's an outline marker. I'm gonna shake it. And with these, you will want a paper to the side that you prep them on before you start coloring on whatever your main page is. But I'm just gonna use the same page for everything. So I'm gonna hold it down. And as I hold it down, you can even see the color is coming down to the tip. And then when it hits the tip, we've started coloring. Oh, that's really cool. So the middle is metallic and the exterior is red. It's really cool to look at. And then when you flip it over, you will just see the red. So the metallic does not bleed, but they definitely bleed. So be aware of that whenever you're writing with these. So I'm just gonna quickly go down and color with every single one. So here they all are. You can see just how metallic they are, yet they all are true to their color as well. It not only goes around the metal color, but it also goes through it. So each one is its color. And depending on how you look at them, they really do pop in different ways. Just know that these are basically permanent markers. They're not coming off anything, so be careful with them and really have fun with these. I am really impressed with how much the black pops. My blue didn't outline as well. I don't think that pen was working just as well as the rest were, but it still did it. And then on the back side, let's see how much those bled. They did all bleed through. You can also really see the colors on the back side, and they blend through to the next page as well. So it really goes through. And as long as you're careful, you got some great colors here that you can put on pretty much any surface and it's not going anywhere. Remember, these are UV resistant and waterproof pigment ink. Really cool outline markers.